Are you worried about product quality? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into acceptable quality level, or AQL. AQL is a crucial concept in manufacturing. It helps ensure your products meet quality standards. Let's break it down. AQL is a statistical measurement. It defines the maximum number of defects allowed in a sample. This controls product quality while keeping costs down. To understand AQL, follow these steps. First, determine the lot size. This is the total number of products. Second, decide on the AQL percentage. This is the percentage of defects you can tolerate. Next, select your sample size. This is how many products you'll inspect. Finally, conduct your inspection based on AQL criteria. This means checking if defects stay within the allowable limit. Why is AQL important? AQL ensures consistent product quality. It helps minimize returns and customer complaints. AQL allows manufacturers to balance quality and cost. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's look at an example. Suppose you produce 1,000 widgets. You set an AQL of 2%. That means you can accept up to 20 defective widgets in your sample. By testing only a portion, you save time and money. To summarize, AQL is about balancing quality and efficiency. It sets a standard for acceptable defects. Use it to improve your manufacturing processes. Want to enhance your quality control further? Learn more about AQL and effective inspection methods. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Are you ready to take your understanding of quality control to the next level? By grasping AQL, you're equipping yourself with a powerful tool that can transform your manufacturing processes. Remember, reducing defects not only saves costs but also builds trust with your customers. By applying AQL, you can create a structured approach to quality management that supports both efficiency and reliability. Start by reassessing your current production practices to identify areas for improvement. Engaging your team in this process can foster a culture of quality, where every worker understands their role in minimizing defects. As you consider implementing AQL, remember that communication plays a key role. Discussing the AQL standards with your suppliers and teams ensures everyone is aligned on quality expectations. Training sessions can enhance understanding and adherence, making the process smoother and more effective. Additionally, regularly revisiting AQL levels as your production evolves can help maintain high standards. Stay proactive in monitoring your product quality. The benefits of AQL will accumulate over time, leading to fewer defects and greater customer satisfaction. Together, let's embrace this journey towards a thriving, quality-focused production environment. As you implement new AQL strategies, consider leveraging data analytics to track defect trends and inspect results. This can provide deeper insights into your manufacturing processes, allowing you to make informed decisions based on real-time performance. Additionally, feedback loops from customer complaints can inform necessary adjustments to your AQL standards, ensuring they stay relevant as market demands change. Establishing a consistent review process will enable you to analyze the effectiveness of your quality measures, empowering you to refine your approach over time. In doing so, you'll not only enhance product quality but also strengthen your position in an increasingly competitive marketplace. By fostering a culture of quality, everyone in your organization becomes an active participant in the quest for excellence. Regular discussions about performance metrics and AQL criteria will empower your team, making quality a shared responsibility that drives your business forward. In conclusion, effectively implementing AQL can significantly enhance not only your product quality but also customer satisfaction and loyalty. By fostering a culture focused on quality, you pave the way for a reliable and efficient manufacturing process. Remember, Prioritizing quality through AQL is an investment in your company's future success.